Hello everyone, I am Prasad. I had deployed a Python project. So if I had interest, see this project. This is used for drawing and we can solve the problems using drawing. I had deployed using render. So let's see how this is working. I'm working on a project, so that's why I'm not posting anything. So I have posted my latest thing, so watch this. So let's start the video. I written equations to show the output also. Let's start.
Finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and liked my video. So you can use ChatGPT to search and tell the questions, but some members are interested in drawing things, so that's why I have deployed these things. So if you like this, please like my LinkedIn profile and see the website deployed in description given. So use my website. If you have touchscreen laptop only, it will work. So thank you, bye.